Hello. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video we will talk about the major difference between SEO, search engine optimization, and SMM, social media marketing. SEO, search engine optimization, and SMO, social media optimization, are two different approach and integral part of digital marketing segment. Businesses and entrepreneurs may use SEO and SMM to implement on their website to see traffic growth. SMM stands for social media marketing, and SEO is for search engine optimization. Both SEO and SMM seek to increase a company's online presence, but they approach the task in different ways. What is search engine optimization, SEO, and its key technique? SEO. Search engine optimization is a technique to perform certain tasks and improve the website content and use website links to create a backlink to other websites. The process of improving a website content and website information as per Google and Bing algorithm for search engines is known as search engine optimization, SEO. Now let's learn what is social media marketing. Social media marketing, SMM, is all about engaging with consumers and people. It consists the practice of using social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to market targeted audiences and engage with them through daily posts, images, or videos to gain followers, like, comments, and share. Now let's look for the differences between SEO and SMM. While both SEO and SMM are used to boost a company's online presence and draw in potential clients, they employ distinct strategies to do it. Goals. Although SMM's main objective is to establish a social media presence for the company and interact with customers and prospects, SEO's main objective is to boost a website's exposure in search engine results pages. Time frame. While SMM is a short-term approach that can produce results quickly, whereas SEO is a long-term strategy that takes continual work to acquire and maintain strong ranks. Cost. As SEO is an organic technique that doesn't involve paid promotion, it may end up being a more cost-effective strategy in the long term. In contrast, SMM frequently needs a paid advertising expenditure to reach a larger audience. Effort. Although SMM involves continual work to sustain audience engagement, SEO demands tremendous hard work and resources to obtain and keep excellent ranks. Strategy. SMM focuses on generating and distributing content, whereas SEO focuses on optimizing a website to rank better in search engine results pages. Target audience. Although SMM focuses on users who may not be actively looking for products or services, but are open to being affected by social media market, SEO targets people who are actively looking for items or services linked to the business. Metrics. Whereas SMM gauges performance by monitoring engagement indicators like likes, comments, shares, and clicks, SEO gauges success by monitoring website rankings, organic traffic, and conversion rates. Integration. By combining SEO and SMM, a thorough digital marketing plan may be developed. For instance, a company may use SEO to get organic traffic to its website, and SMM to interact with and keep those users on the site. In conclusion, SEO and SMM are two separate digital marketing strategies that help companies to broaden their online presence and connect with more potential clients.